Hello and welcome to Start of Such classes. Today we are going to solve one problem based on general intelligence. General intelligence is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most hardest one also. As general intelligence is not a single topic, it is basically a cluster of different topics like blood relation, city management problem, coding, decoding, ties, cube, square, etc. So you need to know each and every topic in details to score a good marks in general intelligence. And you also need to know the different approaches to solve problems in these different topics. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. In a code, tiger is written as SHFDQ. Then how shall horse be written in that code? So tiger is written as SHFDQ. Now to understand the code, we replace the alphabets with their corresponding positional numbers in alphabetical series. So T is the 20th letter, I is the 9th letter, G is the 7th letter, E is the 5th letter, and R is the 18th one. Now S is the 19th letter, H is the 8th letter, F is 6th, D is 4th, and Q is 17th letter. Okay. Now if we notice, we can understand the pattern here. In this code, the letters are just the previous letter of the letters in tiger. That means for T we have S here, that is just -1. For I we have H here. For G we have F here. For 5 we have D here, and lastly for R we have Q here. Now based on this particular pattern we can find the code of horse. So first of all we write the horse and replace the letters with their positional numbers. Now the positional number of H is 8, for O it is 15, for R it is 18, for S it is 19, and for E it is 5. Now in the code we must have the 7th, 14th, 17th, 18th, and 4th letter. Therefore we have G, N, Q, R, and D. Therefore the code of horse is GNQRD. Therefore option B is the right answer. Okay, so we have solved the first question. Now we need to solve the second one. Let's see what is in this problem. If A is coded as a 2, B as a 3, and so on, what is the code for face? A is coded as a 2, B is 3, and so on. Therefore for Z we have 27. So for the word face, the code must be for F we must have, as we to find the code, first we write the positional numbers. Okay, this helps us to find the code because We just need to add 1 with each of these positional numbers to get the code. The positional number of F is A, B, C, 6. For A it is 2. For C it is 4. And for E it is uh, sorry, it must be 7. And for for E it is 6. Okay, sorry, we put the wrong numbers. Okay. For A it is 1, for C it is 3, for F it is 6, and for E it is 5. Okay, now we just need to add 1 to each of these number, and the code becomes 7246. Okay, so our required code is 7246. Hence option A is the correct answer. I repeat this portion again. Here we first write the positional numbers of each letter in alphabetical series, the original positional number. But as we can see, uh, we need to find we are given that the numbers to each of these letter is nothing but the positional number plus 1. Hence our numerical value for face, which is 6135, going to be 7246. Okay, so we have solved 2 problems, and that's all for today. So if you want to know more about general intelligence, then you can join our classes. So feel free to WhatsApp us in these two numbers, 9836793076 or 987480225756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sorosclasses.com. Thank you very much.